Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to create this hot pink eye makeup tutorial and will be giving you two lip options as well. So this makeup look is not very easy to pull off, but I tried something a little different and out of the box. So if you want to wear something different than usual, then this video is for you guys. So I started off with the Good Vibes cucumber gel. If you want to know about Good Vibes products, I have an entire video on Good Vibes products and I will link it at the end of this video if you haven't watched it yet. Then I used a silicone based primer, and then I mixed some liquid illuminator and a face serum with my foundation, and I applied it all over my face. And today I'm not using any beauty blender, I'm using my hands instead. Then I used my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and the NYX Concealer to conceal my under eyes, to hide my dark circles and to hide the blemishes that I have. Now the clip got deleted where I used the NYX Concealer, but it's okay, shit happens. And in this particular clip you can see how beautifully the Maybelline Concealer blends. This is why I love it so much, and I'm definitely gonna get it again if it gets over. Then I used a loose powder to set my base, especially my under eyes, and then I used a setting spray to set my entire face so that my base product doesn't move and doesn't budge. Next I'm moving on to my brows, and today I'm using a brow pomade. Now if you know how to use a brow pomade perfectly, your brow products won't go anywhere and it doesn't move throughout the day, trust me. To set my brows on place, I'm using a brow setting gel. Then I'm using a lip oil to prep my lips so that my lips doesn't look chapped. Then I'm using the same loose powder and I'm baking my under eyes because I'm gonna do my eyes now and it will catch all the fallouts. And next I'm using the Maybelline eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this shade and applying it on my crease. Now this eye look is a little different than your everyday makeup looks. This is very colorful, vibrant and eye-catching of course, and I just used 3 colors to achieve this look. And guys, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look, okay? So I'm using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this palette has so many colors to play with. This is my absolutely favorite palette and you guys have seen me using this palette a lot in my videos. So first I applied the bright pink shade on the inner half of my eyelid, and then I used the purple shade on the outer portion of my eyes to give it a little gradient look. Now these eyeshadows are not very pigmented, but they are buildable. You have to use it a lot to get the exact color you want, and this has a little bit of fallout as well that I don't really like a lot. Now whatever was left in the brush, I applied it on my lower lash line, and then with the help of my finger I applied the hot pink shade on the inner portion. Now I used a liquid liner to create a wing, and I'm not very good at creating wings, but I tried what I could and this is the best I could today. Then I used some generous coats of mascara on my upper and bottom lashes. Then I used lots and lots of blush to my cheeks because I'm skipping bronzer and contour today, so the blush is the only option that I have. Then I'm using the Flower Beauty highlighter today and I'm using the middle shade. Highlighter is something I can never skip. I love highlighters and this is something I use whenever I go or whatever I use on my face. I always use a highlighter, and this highlighting palette is to die for. Okay, the formula of it is absolutely stunning and I love it. Then again I'm using the same setting spray to melt down all the powderiness that I have on my face. For the lips, I'm giving you two lip options. The first one is Nika Mishti. This is absolutely stunning shade. This is a blue toned red and this is going to suit every Indian skin tone. And this is how it looks on me. Look how beautiful the shade is. And the second shade is Lakme 925 Rose Touch. I don't have words to describe this shade. This is so beautiful, so appropriate for everyday wear. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.